Have you ever wondered how people stay cool on hot summer days without air conditioners? The Amish have been doing it for generations, and their methods are simple, cheap, and powerful. In Amish communities, air conditioning is seen as an unnecessary luxury, not a must-have. Instead of relying on machines, they use smart building design, nature, and everyday habits to keep their homes cool. You might think it sounds old school, but these frugal solutions can help modern homes cut cooling costs and stay comfortable, even in heat waves. One of the first things I noticed was how the houses are built. Amish homes often have lots of windows and doors placed across from each other. This layout lets air flow right through. Cool air comes in from one side and the warm inside air gets pushed out the other. This is called cross-ventilation. They also use high ceilings so hot air rises above where people live and sit. In some homes, there are attic vents that let this hot air escape. When the wind blows, the house feels like it's breathing, pulling cool air in and pushing hot air out. Advantage: you don't use any energy to cool a room, just smart airflow. Modern adoption: open windows in the right places, add vents near the top of rooms, and use simple fans to help the air move. Even in modern homes, this cuts down on how much air conditioning you actually need. 2. Shading and placement. Next, I saw how the Amish protect their homes from the sun itself. They plant trees and bushes strategically around windows and doors so the sun's hot rays don't hit the house directly. They also build porches and roof overhangs that act like a hat for the house, blocking the high summer sun but letting in light when it's cooler. In some cases, houses are built in locations that avoid direct afternoon sun, a simple choice with a big cooling impact. Advantage: less heat gets into the house in the first place. Modern adoption: plant shade trees near east and west walls, add awnings or pergolas, and use outdoor shade structures. This lowers indoor temperatures without needing a machine. 3. Use of thermal mass. The Amish also use building materials that help keep indoor temperatures steady. Thick walls made from wood, stone, or brick absorb heat slowly and release it slowly. During the hot daytime, these walls absorb and hold heat outside the living space. When night comes and temperatures drop, that heat slowly releases, but only after the home is already cool. This is similar to how ancient homes in hot countries stayed comfortable long before electricity existed. Advantage: keeps indoor temperature stable without running anything. Modern adoption: even if you live in a new house, adding stone or brick interior walls, concrete floors, or heavy wood features helps regulate heat. 4. Night cooling and window timing. Every evening, Amish families take advantage of cooler night air. As soon as the sun sets and the temperature falls, windows go wide open. This lets the cool night air wash through the house and push hot air out. In some homes, the upper windows stay open at night so warm air escapes, while lower windows stay open to let cool air in. Advantage: you cool the whole house for free just by opening and closing windows at the right times. Modern adoption: you can do the same. Let night breeze in and close windows and shades in the morning to trap cool air. 5. Shade trees and landscaping. Walking through an Amish settlement, you'll see mature trees placed near southern and western walls. These shade trees block the sun when it's hottest. Shrubs, gardens, and vines also create cool shade around porches and walkways. This not only cools structures but also makes shaded outdoor spaces where people can relax. Advantage: shade reduces overall heat gain. Modern adoption: landscape with shade in mind, you can strategically slow heat gain while making your outdoor areas more comfortable. 6. Water and thermal relief. Some Amish families use cold water basins, evaporative cooling, and shaded outdoor water features as another cooling tool. A bowl of cold water on a porch makes the air feel cooler. Water absorbs heat faster than air, so it cools surrounding air naturally. Advantage: It's a low-cost way to make a hot room feel cooler. Modern adoption. Even in cities, simple water sprays, misting systems, or placing a bowl of cold water in a breezy spot can cool a room noticeably. 7. Basement and lower levels. In very hot weather, Amish families may spend more time in basements or lower floors. Earth-surrounded spaces stay cooler because the ground acts as insulation. This doesn't cool the whole home, but it gives people a natural cool retreat when the sun is strongest. Advantage. It's the coolest part of the home without any machinery. Modern adoption. Finished basements, earth-burned rooms, or even cool garages can serve as natural summer retreats. What I learned from the Amish isn't just about staying cool, it's about working with nature instead of against it. These methods: a keep homes comfortable without electricity, a cut cooling bills, a reduce environmental impact, a teach us to design smarter, not harder. Even if you love your air conditioner, adopting just a few of these tricks can make your home cooler, greener, and cheaper to run. The Amish beat the heat every summer, without AC, and without waste, and we can too.